Happy birthday, Johnny!
Thank you, Dave.
This is Johnny. Johnny's never been good with names.
Well, hey, Karen, and hey,
Darren, your nephew.
my man, Daryl.
But today is Johnny's lucky day
Donnie.
because he's about to receive the gift of a
And
lifetime.
of course, you again.
Cami doorbell camera with face recognition lets you know exactly who's at the door.
It's so easy to install. You could hardwire it, or you could just use
Batteries?
batteries.
I'm telling you guys,
I mean, I don't
every
understand
single
why.
dope.
I
You guys don't understand.
We're taking his gift back.
I will not
You know
say
what?
this
No,
anymore.
we're not
You
going to do
guys
this again
don't
next year.
understand
We're
this.
gonna-
Hey, what's happening, Janet? It's my friend Janet.
Cami doorbell camera. Smart home security right at your door.